Hey you guys, okay, so listen, I decided to come and make some quick post back earrings. Are these not the cutest? So look, they were $4.99. I got these from Hobby of the Lobby, and they're gonna make super cute post back earrings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gloss them first using the the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. So that way when I go to put the post backs on, we don't have to worry about doing anything. There's no drilling, there's no nothing. And there's enough in this pack. There's 16 pieces. There's enough in here to make 8 pairs of earrings. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, so let's open up our little pack of hearts and see how simple this is going to be. I'm not gonna make 800,000 of these. In other words, I'm not gonna make all of these because I don't sell my jewelry right now, so I don't wanna be wasteful. But look how cute, and they're wooden. So cute. Oh, I love the hearts, I love the bee mine. I love the little X's. Oh, just so cute. Okay, so let me push y'all down. So what I'm gonna do is, what are they doing? I'm messing with my son. So what I'm going to do, and then I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Dimensional Magic on it so it can be dry. Now hopefully these won't, what's the word I'm looking for? It won't smear because I've never done this on anything that already had words on it. So let's see. These are gonna be so cute. And I decided to do this because I want it to look like resin. So cute. And these are just stickers on the back. So of course you're gonna put, once these dry, you're just gonna pull that little tab off that's on the back. Oh, you guys, I have so many ideas. I couldn't sleep this morning, so at 5:30 I was up looking at craft videos, and I was like getting all kinds of great ideas of stuff we're hopefully gonna make together. I don't want to make promises. I want to under promise and over deliver. But this is just a super cute, fast idea that you can make. You and your bestie can have some matching earrings, or like you can do Valentine's Day gifts with your coworkers, whatever you want to do. You could do a mom and daughter. These would be great for mom and daughter earrings. I love sharing my creations with Miriam. So normally when I make stuff, I'll let her look at it and I'll let her pick something that she wants. If she wanted all of them, she could have them, but these are so cute. Now what you could do if you wanted to, you could also add, look, I'm gonna add like more red, like you could add more dots and more detail if you want to. And that would be super cute. All the rocks. So I'm just gonna make sure we don't have any bubbles and everybody's pulled to the edge. I'm gonna lift it up so you can see it. I'm just gonna do 3 pair. I think that's plenty. And this, because these don't need to take 800 years. So cutesies. Well, you really can't see it. Let's see. So they're drying. We're gonna leave them flat. Let me stop touching. I'm already dropping stuff. So let's let those dry and we'll be right back. This is gonna be a fast pair of earrings. Fast 3 pair earrings, and we're gonna be on to the next level. So look how cute. They're still drying, but look how cute they're gonna be. They're almost dry. So you can tell which ones I did first on the shiny. So they're almost there, and they don't really take a long time to dry. But you want to give them time to dry so you're not getting fingerprints in them. So we're going to come back and check on them in a second. But just wanted to hold them up so you can see how cute they're going to be. And I have you all sitting on my, my container. So this is how I have everything. I don't want to say organized. How about just semi-organized? And I also don't know the measurements, so I know someone asked me what size are these. I don't keep up with it. I apologize because I just dumped them in there. So I'm not sure what size they are, but I'll try to pay attention if I can remember the next time I buy some. I have quite a few right now, so I'm not going to need any more of the jump rings or post backs or ear wires. I have so many. But I do get my supplies from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, for those of you that ask. And so we're gonna go ahead and sit these out. And then I'm gonna use probably the triple bond, or maybe the Gorilla Glue, I'm not sure. The Gorilla Glue has a low odor and it dries really fast. So I might use that, it'll dry faster. But let's give these a few more minutes to dry and then we'll get them made. So let's go ahead and take these off that we have done. Notice on the back, there are these little white tabs. If you're gonna sell your work, you probably wanna scrape those off. They might not come completely off. I guess I could get a blade and try to fight with that. For now, I'm not gonna do that. I maybe fight with that off camera, but because for time's sake, I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna pull these off and then we're gonna get them glued down. That Dimensional Magic, I love it because unlike resin, now if you have a curing lamp for resin, which I thought about getting one, I don't have one yet, that'll dry and cure your resin super fast. It'll be cutesies, and you'll have a glass-like finish. But if you don't want to deal with the toxins associated with resin, then just do the Dimensional Magic. Okay. So let me get my glue out of here really well. I am not fighting with this tonight. Not gonna do it. Sorry, y'all, I'm hungry. I am not, and I have food on the stove, so we are not gonna be fighting with that glue tonight. So let's use our Tight Bond. This is Tight Bond. You can get it from Lowe's or Home Depot. I feel like my fingers are chunky tonight trying to hold these little things. And the Tight Bond dries really well. It dries really quickly. You don't even need a lot of it, so I'm gonna sit that off to the side. And because this white piece is sticky back here, I'm gonna have to put some Mod Podge or some glue over the bottom sticky portion that's not covered up by the earring back. Just so you don't have hair and stuff sticking to it. You know what I mean? Like if you leave something with a sticky surface. So I am mindful of that. Oh my gosh, did y'all have a great Christmas? I have had a great Christmas holiday. When I tell you, I feel like it's flying by. Oh my God. I've been talking to a lot of you all about insurance, like partnering with us and joining our team, and I've enjoyed that. And I've partnered with quite a few of you from here on YouTube. So I'm excited about the growth of our insurance team. And those of you that have interest and you're interested in the products, I want you to reach out to me. You can have my number, but 910-494-7798. And let's talk about it. If you've been following me, you already know I'm licensed in multiple states. We're building in multiple states across the country. East Coast, West Coast, with a license, without a license. We're hiring people in the state of Texas. You don't even have to have a license, although I do recommend you get one. But we have Senior Life of Texas, which you do not have to be licensed in the state of Texas to sell that insurance product. there are some caveats to that, so we'd have to talk about it offline, go into all the juicy deets. But if you need insurance for you and your family, I'd love to serve you. I'll be honored to. It's less than you think. Most people overestimate the cost of insurance and they're scared they can't afford it, so they don't talk about it. It's almost like taboo in a lot of families. They don't want to bring it up. They don't want to talk about it, want to pretend like death isn't going to come. But it is, and you want to be prepared. And I tell my clients all the time, once you put it in place, just think about it. You never have to discuss it again. You don't have to bring it up again. It's taken care of. You can go on with life. So we're going to sit these off to the side and let them dry. And it won't be a big deal if you don't take those white tabs off. I just didn't feel like fighting with them. And we're just not gonna do it. Again, I am hungry. So this is probably one of the fastest projects I've ever done. Again, I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were probably 50% off. So that means that they were about $2.49. And they probably have them out now because all the stores are starting to put out their Valentine's Day merchandise. So we're gonna let these dry. I'm not gonna even touch them. All right, you guys. Okay, so we are back and look how cutesy they turned out. They're still drying. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see them too, but they are gonna make the cutest little post back earrings. So let me see if I can find the mates to them. My lighting is terrible tonight. You'll have to forgive me. Let's see. So cutesies. Those are precious. They're adorable. And they have, so cute. So look at these. So cute. Oh, these are going to be just perfect for Valentine's Day, whether you're going to give them as gifts. I always wonder when people say, hey, make 88 gifts for Valentine's Day. I'm like, I don't even know 88 people to give gifts to. But anyway, these are precious. These would make super cute lapel pins. I think you could maybe get away with a clip-on pair. I'm not sure, but let's turn around or turn them around. I'm trying to get better lighting. Oh, fighting with the lighting today. Let's turn around so you can see them. And then we're gonna be on to our next project because honey, mama got a whole list that we're gonna be making. So cute. I don't know about y'all, but I've lost track of the days. They said that's what happens when you're on Christmas break. Like you lose track of the days. That has happened to me officially. Okay, so let me turn around so you can see. Okay, so look how cute. This is the best I can get my light to cooperate tonight, so I apologize. Let me see if I can turn them this way. That's a little bit better. But you get the gist. They are precious. I think they turned out so fabulous. There we go, that's a little bit better. And these are gonna be perfect as gifts. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys get to make some, and happy holidays, happy new year. See you on the next Valentine's Day earring.